Hey, this is Mark from Big Man, and I just want to really quickly show you how to fix the most annoying part of iOS 15, which is the way Safari works and acts. A lot of us were using the iOS 15 betas over the last couple months, and thankfully in the last couple betas they finally gave us the option to fix it. So briefly, I'm just going to show you here. You're going to go to your Settings app, and then you're going to scroll down to find Safari. Tap on Safari there, and then about halfway down under tabs, what you're going to want to do is switch it from tab bar to single tab. Everything's back where you expect it to be. That's the way it should be. There was nothing wrong. So just really quickly, I just wanted to show you how to fix the most annoying part of iOS 15, which is the way Safari works and acts. Thank you.